Ninoy, what was launched last year in commemoration
Ayun
of
na.
the 25th death anniversary of Senator Aquino. And it was launched first as a year-long campaign. And then eventually, it has already transformed into a movement, which includes volunteers and other enthusiasts like cyclists and runners. So the aim of the I Am Ninoy movement right now is to empower young people, in particular, in order to remind them that what Ninoy has done in the past should always be kept alive in our hearts.
Okay, let's talk about the items that are being sold. Korean intimate portrait. Saan ba nabibili itong mga items na to, Trish?
Well, some of the items are being sold at our office in Makati, the Jose Coanco building. And then some of the items are also sold at different bookstores.
Okay, what are the items? Siyempre, we have books
Yes, we
on
have
Cory,
books and
Ninoy. We have CDs.
this one.
Commemorative
Yes.
Commemorative
We only have a limited number of the plates.
Ito nakakaaliw. Tay, na puro salamin. At popular na to ha, kasi ginamit to ni Ted Filon. And ikaw naman,
Yes,
hingin
naku,
natin ang
Rufi.
message si Nina at si Bam para sa mga
Oo.
Pilipino.
Eto na nga, nagpa-practice na sila. Ninenervous si Nina. So Nina, ano ba ang masasabi mo sa ating sambayan ng Pilipino, any message for them?
Thank you talaga sa pagmamahal na binigay nila kay Lola Ninoy at kay Lola Cory. At para dun rin sa kabataan, kagaya ko, na hindi namin naranasan yung martial law, sana maging example yung ginawa ni Lola Ninoy at ni Lola Cory upang mas ma-appreciate namin yung democracy na nararanasan natin ngayon.
Okay, thank you. And Bam?
Ako naman, we all felt very sad no, nung namatay si Cory. In fact, napakaraming taong lumabas.